Easter is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to brighten up your home with festive decorations. But where do you start? Should you go for a classic pastel theme, a fun DIY Easter craft, or something totally unique? If you're looking for stunning and creative Easter decoration ideas, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 gorgeous Easter decor ideas to make your home feel festive and full of springtime joy. Stick around until the end because I have a special idea that will completely transform your Easter setup.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can I decorate my home with an Easter theme? Creating an Easter-themed home starts with incorporating seasonal colors, festive elements, and nature-inspired decor. One of the best ways to achieve this is by using a pastel color palette throughout your decorations. Soft shades of pink, yellow, lavender, and mint green bring that signature Easter vibe to any space. Another must-have is Easter-themed figurines and accents like ceramic bunnies, wooden eggs, and chick decorations that can be placed on tables, mantels, and shelves. Lastly, adding fresh or artificial flowers such as tulips, daisies, and daffodils brings a natural and lively touch to your Easter setup. If you love these Easter decorating ideas, make sure to like and share this video so others can make their homes festive too. What are some easy DIY Easter decorations? DIY decorations allow you to add a personal and creative touch to your Easter decor. One fun idea is hand-painted Easter eggs, where you can use pastel colors, gold foil, or even floral designs to create unique and beautiful decorations. Another great DIY project is Easter mason jar crafts, where you can fill painted mason jars with faux grass, chocolate eggs, or LED string lights for a charming table or mantelpiece display. If you love crafting, try making a DIY Easter wreath using a grapevine base, pastel-colored ribbons, and artificial flowers to welcome guests with a festive touch. Got a DIY idea you're excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. How can I style an Easter table setting? A beautifully decorated table makes Easter gatherings even more special. One way to elevate your Easter table is by using themed tableware, such as bunny-shaped plates, pastel-colored napkins, and floral placemats that tie everything together. A creative Easter centerpiece featuring a mix of fresh flowers, candles, and decorated eggs instantly makes the table look festive and inviting. Another fun idea is to fold napkins into bunny ears and place them on each plate, adding a playful and charming detail to your setup. Want more table styling inspiration? Check the description for a full playlist of seasonal tablescape ideas. What are the best Easter centerpiece ideas? A gorgeous centerpiece can be the highlight of your Easter decor. A blooming floral arrangement in pastel shades placed in a decorative vase or watering can gives a fresh and elegant touch. If you want a more playful centerpiece, you can create a tiered tray display with Easter eggs, mini bunnies, and spring flowers for a cute and festive look. Another creative idea is an edible centerpiece, where you arrange chocolate eggs, marshmallow bunnies, and colorful candies in a decorative dish for both decor and a sweet treat. Want more centerpiece inspiration? Click the link in the description to shop my favorite Easter table decor pieces. How can I decorate my front porch for Easter? Your front porch is the first thing guests see, so why not make it feel festive for Easter? A spring wreath with Easter eggs, flowers, and ribbons instantly brightens up your entryway. Adding decorative Easter signs with messages like Happy Easter or Welcome Spring brings a fun and cheerful touch. If you have space, setting up a small Easter-themed display with a basket of colorful eggs and a bunny statue makes your front porch look warm and inviting. Looking for the perfect Easter front porch setup? Check the description for my favorite outdoor Easter decor finds. What are some unique Easter egg display ideas? Easter eggs are a must-have decoration, but you can display them in creative ways. One idea is to use a glass cloche or cake stand to showcase beautifully painted eggs as a stylish tabletop accent. A hanging Easter egg tree, where you decorate small branches with pastel eggs and ribbons, adds height and charm to your space. For a farmhouse-inspired look, placing eggs in a vintage-style wooden crate or nest makes for a rustic and elegant display. Enjoying these ideas? Check the description for links to shop unique Easter egg display products. How can I make my living room feel more Easter ready? Bringing Easter decor into your living room can make the space feel cozy and festive. Swapping out regular pillows for Easter-themed throw pillows with bunny and floral designs instantly updates the space. Adding a garland made of pastel eggs or spring flowers along the mantel or coffee table brings in soft, seasonal color. Placing a decorative Easter basket filled with plush bunnies, carrots, and eggs on the coffee table adds a fun and playful touch. Love seasonal living room decor? Check the description for my top recommended Easter decor items. How can I keep my Easter decor looking fresh all season? Keeping your Easter decor looking beautiful requires a little maintenance. If you're using fresh flowers, changing the water regularly and trimming the stems will help them last longer. Storing delicate Easter decorations in protective boxes ensures they stay in great condition for future use. Rotating small decor items like throw pillows and table runners throughout the season keeps your space feeling fresh and festive. Excited to decorate for Easter? Check the description for links to shop my favorite Easter decor picks. What are some kid-friendly Easter decorating ideas? If you have kids at home, decorating for Easter can be extra fun. A great idea is to create a DIY Easter craft station with stickers, markers, and pre-cut bunny and egg shapes for kids to decorate. A miniature Easter village featuring tiny bunny figurines, mini trees, and pastel-colored houses adds a magical touch for little ones. Setting up a chocolate egg treasure hunt station with decorative baskets and hidden eggs makes the decor interactive and exciting. Looking for kid-friendly Easter decor ideas? Hit that subscribe button for more holiday decorating tips. What outdoor decorations can make my yard Easter ready? Easter decor isn't just for indoors. Your backyard can look festive too. Placing large decorative eggs on the lawn or along pathways adds color and whimsy. Setting up a life-size bunny cutout or inflatable Easter bunny creates a fun and festive scene. Hanging pastel-colored bunting flags or fairy lights in trees brings a soft, springtime glow to outdoor gatherings. Want more outdoor decorating inspiration? Check the description for a full list of my recommended Easter yard decor. Easter is the perfect time to get creative and bring a fresh, festive feel to your home. Whether you love classic pastels, Fun DIY projects or unique centerpiece ideas? There's an Easter decoration style for everyone. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more Easter decorating inspiration. Happy Easter and happy decorating!